Hello everyone, I am TA Asha and today I'll be showing you how to get started on your project on Adobe Illustrator. First of all, I came up with a quick sketch from my sketchbook and used references to get the shape right. After you are done with the sketch, take a picture of it and send it to the laptop you will be working on, as you can see me doing here. Now we will be getting started on project 1, which is due on 23rd September and is 25% of your final grade. It is important to have the project brief open so you can refer to it always whenever you need it. Now we will open up Illustrator and create a new file. According to the project brief, the size should be 210 by 297 millimeters. It should also be in RGB format and the quality should be 300 pixels per inch or PPI. Now I will click on File Place and select my image and place it on the file. Adjust the size to fit the screen as you like. And make sure to lock the layer so that the image does not annoy you when you are tracing it. Now I just grabbed the pen tool and started working straight away. When tracing, it's best to open the transparency window. You can do this by clicking on Window and then Transparency. Now click on Opacity and change it so that it is slightly transparent. In the beginning, I will be using colors that are unrelated to each other just to give me an idea of where all my elements will be. It is also a good idea to start separating the elements by layers and labeling these layers so you can refer to them easily. I also separate the elements in the background from the elements in the foreground by making them in different colors. I like to use the pen tool to give my shapes a more unique style. Now that I have the basic shapes placed, I will start changing the colors to make them more fitting of my idea. A good tip is to always lock the layers you're not using so that they don't bother you when you are selecting elements from other layers. Try to use different effects and techniques, as this will help you in the technical part of your grading. When you are done with tracing, don't forget to reset the opacity to 100%. Now I will start adding some shadows to give the simple illustration more depth. To remove an effect from a specific element, you can delete it from the Properties window that should be on the right-hand side of your artboard, next to where it says the name of the effect you applied. This is just a simple illustration, and yours should be more complex and more developed in terms of colors, shading, and of course light and shadows, because this is the theme of your first project. Now when it comes to saving, you can refer to the project brief and see how the file should be saved, which is also a part of the grading criteria. For now, I will be saving it in the AI format, so I will copy the name from the project brief, click on save and save it, but change it so that it says my name. I hope this video helped you in some way, and I wish you the best of luck in creating your illustrations. Thank you for listening.